Will roadside assistance change my tire at night? Have you ever found yourself stuck on the side of the road at night with a flat tire? It can be a stressful situation, but the good news is that help is usually just a phone call away. So, will roadside assistance change your tire at night? Let's break it down. Most roadside assistance services operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means that if you experience a flat tire at night, you can call for help anytime. Professional roadside assistance providers are equipped to handle tire changes in the dark. They come prepared with the necessary tools and safety equipment to ensure the job is done safely. Changing a tire at night can be tricky, especially if you are on a busy road. Roadside assistance technicians are trained to work efficiently in low light conditions. They know how to set up safety measures, like warning lights, to protect themselves and your vehicle. This is especially important when visibility is limited. If you have a spare tire that is in good condition, the technician will remove the flat tire and install the spare for you. However, if your spare tire is not usable, roadside assistance can tow your vehicle to the nearest tire repair or replacement facility. This way, you won't be left stranded for long. Now, let's talk about auto insurance. Many auto insurance policies include roadside assistance as part of their coverage. This means that if you have this option in your policy, you can call for help at any time, day or night, without worrying about extra costs. Having roadside assistance through your car insurance can save you money and provide peace of mind. In summary, if you find yourself with a flat tire at night, you can rely on roadside assistance to help you out. They are available 24 hours a day, equipped to change your tire safely, and can tow your vehicle if needed. Plus, if you have roadside assistance included in your auto insurance, you can rest easy knowing help is just a call away.